Hi, my name is Eduardo Noriega and I'm very excited to present our prototype tennis ball launcher machine, better known by its acronym RAFA, Rapid Action Firing Appliance. This machine is designed to enhance tennis training with the desires of the team coach, providing adjustable and effective ball throws. Here you can see the prototype in action. The machine is powered through a connection to an AC power supply, which ensures an uninterrupted experience without depending on battery's life. As it can be seen, it has an emergency stop button for safety considerations which immediately halts the system. So now let's break down all the components and their functionalities. The power supply. The machine is powered by a 12 volts DC supply for the drivers, and it also has a regulator for the digital electronics from 12 volts to 5 volts. And talking about the ball capacity and the rate, the machine can hold up to 200 volts and has a launch rate of per 2 volts per second. Also, the maximum velocity is theoretically 180 kilometers per hour, but averaging around 20 kilometers per hour in a practical use. And for the motors, we have three independent motors, two for controlling the ball speed and the spin of the balls, and the third one to control the ball rate frequency. All these motor speeds can be adjusted via Bluetooth using a smartphone app, allowing for precise control over the ball's velocity and the ball feeding rate, and giving the opportunity to select the effects for the ball. Also, for the adjustable mechanisms, the machine can throw balls in an arc trajectory with adjustable height and angle. The angle of projection is from 25 degrees to 45 degrees, which can be automatically set using a remote control. And for the user interface, as was already mentioned, we have an app, which the machine includes the integrated Bluetooth module connected to the STM32 microcontroller, which allows the machine to be controlled via that smartphone app. This app sends signal to a microcontroller, enabling users to adjust various settings remotely, making the interface more intuitive and versatile for the user. Now I'd like to talk about one of the biggest problems we face during the construction of this machine. And this occurs at the first test of the electronics. We fried two of our STM32's microcontrollers, so we need to check what's making that shortcut. We check the connections, we check the cables, and after all that, we deduced it was the voltage regulator what was failing. So we changed it and all worked perfectly. So we needed to do that step back to look to what was failing. So that was very important for the final results.